In the grass. Aww. There's ducklings right up there that just jumped in the water. They're so cute. And there's a blue heron right there. Hopefully he doesn't fly away. There he goes. I think the ducklings think we're gonna feed them. They all think we're gonna feed them.
Hi, guys.
We don't have anything for you, but you're cute.
Look at those chicks.
They're so cute.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Loner out here.
Look at this guy.
They look so fluffy.
Oh my gosh, I want to hold you.
Right?
Do you have one?
Put one in my sleeping bag with me.
Can we take them?
Yeah, a little pet duck.
Oh, he's swimming fast.
Oh, that one went under too. All right, so Easy's made the actually really good observation that those are like springs, and we're gonna go see if they're warm because we were just trying to figure out why Boiling Springs is called Boiling Springs. Step one, we found the springs. So Easy has lately been on a big snake kick. He's trying to face his fear of snakes by going near as many snakes as he can, as long as they're like obviously not venomous. We did double check that. Ooh.
Oh gosh.
I don't like him. Oh, I do not like him.
Oh. That's a big water snake.
I like him.
Oh, he's so fat.
Dude, he eats good out here.
Look how fun these guys are having.
Where'd he go?
He's over there.
Spring stopped over here.
We just had lunch and we came to walk by this pond and we found these two snakes who are just like spooning each other.
And America, they are 100% not venomous. So do not even try to tell me in the comments that they are. I'm not playing this game anymore.
Easy gets really heated about the comments. Look at them. All right, we are drinking a Red Bull and then we are going to be leaving Boiling Springs. Easy, what's the weather forecast?
Tornadoes. There's going to be tornadoes. That's true.
Yeah. He's not lying. Heavy thunderstorms, hail, tornadoes. Starting
Look at that dog.
anywhere from the next hour to 4 hours. But we've just been sitting here and there's like a chance it might not happen, so we're just gonna walk. It's hard to see it through the trees now, but there's a big farm over there and this big red tractor out doing farm things. Yeah, it's fun to watch. So we are just ahead of this storm. It is right there, and we are trying to flee from it. The goal was either to stay ahead of it or just to try to get to the next place we can hitch into town from so that we made some forward movement, even if it was only for a short bit. So we're gonna hitch into Carlisle just because it's supposed to start getting bad in the next hour, and hopefully stay ahead of it until we get a hitch, and then duck out, wait, and then keep hiking. There's a road right there. We're just starting to hear thunder now. We're at this like 18 or 14 mile? 14 mile flat stretch. Where it's just like walking through pastures and farmlands, I think, for 14 miles. So if it starts to rain, it's gonna get real soupy. And there's also like a dry stretch. There's not much water. So yeah, it's an interesting stretch coming up, but so far it's been pretty nice watching all the fields. All right, the weather has stopped. The rain is gone. It passed really quickly, and we had gone to hitch into Carlisle to try to avoid it if the thunderstorms were going to be really bad. And a Jeep Wrangler with the top down picked us up, And this guy, Don, that was driving it told us he just had to drop it off at home before the rain started, and then he'd take us into town. And we get to his house, and it's like a big family event. Their whole family was coming in, and they invited us to stay there and wait out the rain with them. So we got to hang out with him and his wife, Kim, and they cleared out the whole garage for the family event. And we were playing pickleball with Don and Kim's dad, right? It was Kim's dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, so me and Pop were on a team, and Easy and Don were on a team, and we played pickleball in the garage and waited out the rain. And Juke and Ninja are back in Boiling Springs, and they waited it out there. We were just a few miles ahead of them. I got a little raccoon paw prints right here. They're really cute. They look like little stars. Yeah. Several steps though.
Oh, the old knees can't handle it.
It's just funny. Here we go. This one section of trail, as opposed to all the others. I actually just tripped on that rock while I was looking at it. Yeah. So there's a deer right there, if you could see it, just across the trail. It has been so hot for the past couple hours after it stopped raining. It's not even like hot, it's humid. And yeah, it's not hot, it's so humid it feels hot. And my skin is just like sticky wet, even though I'm not sweating. I mean, I am sweating, but I'm not like working hard. My skin is just like this wet. It's got this wet layer on it. It's so gross. And I just took my pack off to filter water, and the entire back of it is covered in sweat from the humidity. So, oh, I hate this feeling. This is the worst. I'm 0.4 from the Darlington shelter, and there's this cool stone bench right here. On the other side of it, there's this nice view. It's cool. Is that it down there? Yeah, so there's Duncannon right over here by the water.
We're so close.
Yeah, we are. There's little rapids down there.
There's a boat right there.
Alright, so we made it to the road, and Easy just scared the absolute crap out of me. There's like this stone staircase going down the hill right there that connects to the road, and tripped on one of the stairs, and I was standing behind him, and it was like a rolling tumble down like 3 or 4 steps because he had his trekking poles in his hand and there was no stopping, and I was just standing there behind him like because I didn't know what to do. Show me your head. Hold on, stop walking for a sec. He's got this, he hit his head on a rock.
I'm concussed.
Yeah. And so he's got some scrapes on his knees too.
I got this orange soda though.
Yeah, there was trail magic right at the bottom. But yeah, I saw him hit his head on the rock and I nearly had a heart attack. But luckily it wasn't very hard and everything's okay. But that was scary.
There's the ball.